Naisan mo ako dadalhin?
Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning from Hereford. We decided to have a breakfast, full English breakfast,
Here.
here at Red Barn Cafe.
Yeah.
It's a cafe around the industrial area.
Here.
It's not as busy as in the city center
Yeah,
because
it's
that's where people
beautiful.
are. But I heard a lot and I read a lot that a lot of good reviews.
Okay. It's my first time here as well, Nice. Thank you for taking me. It's
So I'm
only just
bringing you a UK local to Red Barn.
19 minutes away from my house. 1, 2, 3. Tama entrance niya. Dito pa lang entrance niya. Just eat. Sige, pasok ka na. Ang ganda.
Thank you.
Go-order kami ng breakfast dito sa Red Barn Cafe.
Let's see it.
Nice. Oo. Okay. Nice. Ito yung ano niya, oh. Oo. Ang cute. Red Barn Cafe, guys, here in Hereford. Dito na kami. Dinala ni Nigel. Nakapili na siya ng table namin. Thanks for the breakfast. This is a local breakfast cafe here in Hereford. I haven't been here. I think it's a new one. Nigel found it in Google and then he asked me to take him here. So we're just gonna try it. Hopefully it's nice. Aming small breakfast at yun yung belly buster. Thank you, Nige.
Yeah,
Bon appetit.
smoking.
Kanyang breakfast treat. Naglakad lang kami dito. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. 19 minutes walk from our house. So, ito yung small breakfast dito sa Red Barn Cafe dito sa Grandstand Road, Hereford. Ito naman yung belly buster. Ayan yung, kasama na yung free na yung aming tea and coffee. It's included. Enjoy. Nice. We're having a carburetor. Our dinner is ready now. Charlie.
You can say you can do more. That was the decision.
Boil namin yung spaghetti. Ayan yung sauce. Lagyan ng grated.
Para lang kung lumapot.
Partner namin ng puto at kutsinta. I ordered from Ellen and Toto kanina. Nag-order din ako. Spaghetti with puto and kutsinta. Okay, it's ready now. Our spaghetti bucatini made by our very own professional chef, Nigel. Thank you, Nigel.
And the spaghetti.
And the spaghettini. And this is my kutsinta from my friend and puto. It's a good partner. And meron din siyang niyog-niyog dyan.
And cheddar cheese.
Tsaka yung cheddar cheese niya. Which is this one and the sauce. Yeah. Ang dami naming handa. Ang daming prepare ni Chef Nige. Ang kaming pasta. May laing. At saka sweet and sour. And the fish. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Gusto mo ng sauce on top of your fish?
Yeah, please. Hinahanda na namin aming dinner for tonight. Later magsimba kami mamaya. Thank you, Nige.
Welcome. Special request.
Special request. Fish and sour fish is very nice. This is sea bream or sea bass. Ito naman yung laing. Titikman ni Steve. First time niya yung matitikman. Ay, ito ang pangpakbet. Kailangang tandaan. Nagluluto kami ng pakbet for Christmas. Na-miss ko kasi. Kaya nag-request ako kay Nigel. Sarap. Ang ganda ng kulay. Healthy na kulay. Sparks?
When the person is Hispanic, I can eat Chinese. So I would always be, or he'll embarrass me and say bad things about me that will make me like back off. When we're adults, we realize it. And I'm glad because obviously I said it. Yeah. You realize
Santa is singing. Na-distract ko rin si Santa. Cooking fried rice for Nigel. That's his breakfast. We're taking to Heathrow at around 8 o'clock this morning. I hope we had a lovely time here. We had a lovely time. It's good to spend Christmas with him by making him a fried rice, and I'm gonna fry the bacon as well. I hope you enjoy it. It's his favorite. And fried egg. There's bacon and fried rice as well. Bye! Bye-bye!
above my head. No, don't do that.
Ito na, dinatin na namin na si Nigel dito sa Heathrow Airport kasi he's going back to Canada. Did you enjoy your stay,
Thank
Nigel?
you so much for hosting me for 2 weeks.
Thank you for coming.
Appreciate it. See you soon.
Bye! Ang ganda.
Yeah. Bye. See you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
For all your gifts and kindness. You're welcome.
Thank
For
you,
all the
Nay.
gifts. Take care. I'm not gonna look.
Ano? Bye-bye. Ingat. God bless.
God bless.
Safe trip.
Thank you. Thank you.